Unong yalam kaliang persya Dr Mukul sangma ula Kyntu ya Sorkar jela bakandong ka bahusiar bat peitngor da ka bashimkia halor ki jingma bat ban wengi ki jing ki ba pelong ki samla bakin lek penyaso ne ban seng ki kynhun seng lehnoh. Ula bu jingkeli ha ka bayade bagi jingjia halor jingwan pendam jong drishtik rajkowa ubade unong yalam barim joka seng lehnoh United Liberation Front of Assam ULFA ha South Garo Hills. Habakran Syllad patai kubor hakalai trik ngailur u Dr Mukul ulaong bakham haswa ula daban kedau halor ka jingdon jong raj khowa hapo rilum Garo. Ya ka bahadin la pentikna da ka jingwan pendam no ka jong u bat haduk menta kidon katu ka ni ki jingkeli ya ka baka Sorkar kampat syam la jubam. Ula bu jingkeli ru ya ka jingdon jong ki beriu ki basenran lang ya uraj khowa hakapor bo ulawan ban pendam wan bat ki bor Sorkar badai kimi ki ba uraj khowa ulawan ban pendam. Ni don kam ban bu jingkeli na ka Sorkar kat nungat ki samla shenrang ki don hangta hatu lakmi lenti ba undan ha ka jaka ka bapaji tam jongkari ringkat tang bat arngut ki nong bot bat haba wan pendam yalade ki jatiar ayu ki ba ulawan ban pendam wan. Kumta pihak ban penyaso ya kini ki AKA bat panjing syai na ka Sorkar. Mukul ula kentho ru ya ka Sorkar kamtam ya menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ki sangma halor ka jingkloi ka jong ban kentaj bat ka jingkentaj ban shim ya ka jingkit kli ban pentikna ya ka jingsung bat ban khanglat ya ka jingmi biang ki kynhun seng lehnoh ha ka jela. Haba Kyntu ya ka Sorkar ban long ka ba peitngor ka ba husiar bat shimkya uni menteri rangba barim ka jela ulaong. Haba ngia keren syapang ki jingyo jingtem hatu ka di ka jingyo jingtep ka dai tang harilum khasi jaintia hatu yo jingtep AA na rilum Garo kasyong ha ka Sorkar bakan bishar benia ya kini ki jingtep ba yotlum bat ban pendan kam ya la ka jingstad ban la ban penkut no. Le se ka la ban long ba menteri rangba sngaw ya ha ban keren ya ka di kaman hakmat kilat pathai kubor Henry ha ka jingshi shahi ka dai pat ka kamram jong ka Sorkar ban long ka ba peitngor ha ba husiar bat shimkya. Ka Sorkar ka dai bentip ki ki daw ki ba pelong ki samla bakin lej so ne thawi kynhun lehnoh bat ban pentikna ban yimde ban ailat ikini ki AKA bakin kira song bat ka dai ka kamram jong ka Sorkar ban shim ya ka jingkit kli.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
One day I was speaking about some covert recruitment taking place at that point of time, prior to the surrendering of Drishti Rajkowa in Garo Hills. Didn't I say that the person concerned was in Garo Hills? Yes. It was proven that he was in Garo Hills because he surrendered where? He surrendered in South Garo Hills. But at the same time, I think we need to confront the government. At the time of surrendering, Drishti Rajkowa did surrender before the authorities. With whom? With whom? How many boys were there? How many men were there? Was he expected to be in the remotest part of the country with just two of his so-called personal bodyguards? And when he surrendered, what are the arms and ammunition that he has handed over? Except the small arms. So you have to connect the dots. You have to connect the dots and confront the government. This government is some or other known for being in denial mode, particularly the chief minister. You ask anything, you ask about illegal coal mining, he'll be very prompt in denying. But the onus of responsibility of governance and to ensure that nothing which is somehow capable of derailing the peace and somehow enabling a vitiated environment for resurgence of any militant activities in the state. We have to all be honest to our responsibilities and prevent it. You see, when we are talking about the overall inputs, is these inputs not there in Khasis and Jehels? Is there no inputs? Is there no inputs in Garhwals? It is up to the government to examine those inputs and utilize their wisdom to arrive at a conclusion. Maybe for whatever reasons, the chief minister might not have somehow thought it proper to discuss before the media. That also may be an issue, but the fact is that government of the day, any incumbent government, must be alert, vigilant, and responsive. And also, when I say be alert, vigilant, and responsive, should know what are the factors, probably, which is pushing the youth towards militancy, towards forming a rebel group, and somehow see that we don't allow these things to flourish and grow. And it is the responsibility of anybody who is in the hand of affairs of government. It doesn't matter who is vested with the responsibility, but it is incumbent upon any government of the day to deal with this kind of situation with utmost seriousness, honesty, integrity, with truthfulness, in the best interest of the people and the state.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.